So let's tear down the OP1WE, see what we got. The skates are interesting. That's what we didn't notice actually, I just realised is the screws are exposed to this configuration, but I bet there's some under the front, we'll find out, but the rear ones aren't, so good start if you don't put the bigger skate on it. .46. Now, what is a little weird is they also have the cutout for that skate. I'm not sure I'm a fan of having like these multiple cutouts. I'll just smooth the base a little bit, you know what I mean? .12. So let's see if there's one in the front there. Some screws. Okay, no screws at the front. Like it. Good to see. .63. Beefy label. 0.28. .14. Interesting. A bit of a attention to detail. They put a metal insert in the plastic, so you got better thread. Pretty good. It's not bad this for its weight. Interesting, like kind of weight reduction. Standard side button configuration. Probably get that slightly better, I reckon. And mains, not bad. Gives me like a like an MP01 vibe, but they're kind of screwed into the top, which is different. I've not seen them like that before in that position. Like, look at that pin setup. I can already tell, right? I've not seen an Opto mech with that one pin and these two clips. A Raider normally has two clips, but they don't have that pin, so they've all been different. It's a small plunger head, that. .48. We definitely thought about the weight. Look at the way they've trimmed out this middle bit. We're looking at that. Trying to keep it nice and light. I can only put in these little metal bits in. There you go, Kale. What the setup looks like on this. So maybe they are hot swappable. Have a look. Got a kind of. Is it soldered? No, okay, it's a hot swappable. I think. Yeah. 0.56. They're similar to the Razor, but they've got that pin. I don't know what that pin does. There's the light sensor bit. But other than that, I don't know. 0.76. At least these switches are going to be nice and hot swappable for us. It's exactly the same. I reckon the KL2s, but I've not seen him in black form before. There isn't much to mod on this, to be fair. Bit of weight, but you can get much out of this, to be fair. He's done a pretty good job. Just want to properly go ham it out. Well, the base. Could make a slightly better side button configuration, but not bad. Better than the Superlight. 0.84. I do like how they put the metal inserts into the plastic so it didn't strip. Nice job, really. Not bad. Quite a heavy shot, so 16.53. Okay. So they've offset the battery to try and counter the weight, but they've put the massive rack on it. It's got a big rack. Chunky battery, yeah, it's a 335 milliamp. But we can definitely change that. .1 the battery. 7.29 grams. It's quite heavy actually. 7 gram battery, heavy man. I put a heavy battery in it. Quite a few screws coming on here. Yeah. .06. Nice. There you go. 1.2 grams. 1 gram. Look how small this PCB is. Damn, son. I've still got the white TTC encoder. Why are people still using this encoder? Modding, tell us about it. Freak at endgamegear.com. Looks like it's got, and you know what's really good about it? They've used the same KL switch for the scroll wheel. Hey! Now we're talking. I like the way they've labelled these ports, right mouse button, left mouse button as well. Already. Not using this to mod, be pricey mod, but you never know. I think there's the King's still the 305 for modding. A few people use the Razor V2, but that's an expensive mod. You get 4K out of it, but still. .24. Check out the MCU with all man eye. So the sensors are PAW3370M-T4QU, and the MCU is using the Compax Tech CX52850, I think. Scroll wheel looks pretty normal to all the other Endgame gears. .78. The rubber is 0.89. Scrolls 0.87. And we've got the power button on its back. .25 is the base. $9 grams. It's quite a heavy base, that actually. How many screws do we have? 16 screws. So there is the Endgame gear OP1. What do you think about build quality? I think it's built pretty well. This is pretty decent build quality. First for $70, pretty good. Switch is a little bit heavy, like you say. Overall decent, I think. Skates are interesting. Would have been nice to drop another set of skates in the pack, but cat approved mouse. Doesn't want to leave it alone yet. You like this one? Yeah, it's a good one.